I don't want to do roofs anymore. People have been locked up for less than this.
Here we are, Sam and I, on our way to my allotment. Dancing and driving in between storms. Storm Dudley last night, Storm Eunice, which is coming in a couple of hours. And the thing is, right, my allotment shed, and some would call it a work of art, has been cobbled together from scrap wood, debris, pallet wood, from skips all across the city, and it has withstood every storm that the UK has had to throw at it. So the challenge now is, can Sam not only install a Skyguard roof on it, but once installed, can it actually stay installed? The stakes are high. Let's see.
It's got a fucking jungle up here with all the insects and that.
So as you can see, the weather's holding out so far for us, and we got Sam up there working up a storm. How are you feeling, Sam?
Terrible.
Terrible, which means he's happy. He's in his element. Really happy up there with the millipedes. To your good health, Sam. Ah, there he is. Our favourite friendly neighbourhood roofer, Sammy. He's ignoring me now, but behind closed doors he loves me really. You're always asking me out for a pint and a drink and a coffee and a hug, aren't you, Sammy boy?
No.
He does this. No, actually, here in the Midlands means yes. I'm getting to understand the lingo.
Get that camera out of my face now. Get it out of my face.
Sammy boy's hedging his bets and he's using the Skyguard as tarp to protect from any raindrops, but the moment the sun comes out he'll have that back up. He's got the boards down, as you can see, but he'll take that back up when the sun comes out and he'll start using the water-based adhesive, and away we go. Bob's your uncle. We'll have a Skyguard roof before you know it, won't we?
Yeah.
So we've ripped off the old roof, de-nailed, felt it's been skipped, and once we got to that point it was plain sailing. Water base done, Skyguard done, trims done. Sam Murphy's absolutely smashed it, and now he's hightailed it out of here before the full force of Mother Nature arrives, with storm clouds arriving and the winds is beginning to howl. All that remains to be seen is whether, once this storm is done and dusted, this roof remains intact. Whoa. Well, you'll be pleased to know that I'm intact, Sam is intact, but more importantly, the roof is intact. Was there ever a doubt?
Nope.
Well, if you've had a similar experience of trying to get a shed roof on before a storm rolls in, perhaps a shed not as bad as this one, let us know in the comments.